Can you run Claude Code for free? Yes, I'll show you how in 5 minutes, and I'll tell you straight up whether it's right for you. This is exactly what we are building. Claude Code pointing to a model that runs locally on my laptop. This is the model right here. But before we start, let's understand what are the trade-offs. By default, Claude Code points to Anthropic's API, their own models. So what we are doing when we are using the out-of-the-box version is we are paying for the tokens because we are accessing their APIs. What are we doing in this video? We are running our own version locally on our computer, which will be 100% free. What are we winning and what are we losing in this trade-off? Imagine Claude Code is your car. By default, the engine itself is the Anthropic API. What are we doing when we are gonna take out the original engine? We are dropping the Anthropic API and we are replacing it with a local model. Now the obvious question is, are these local models as performant, smart and capable as the paid one? Short answer is no. You can get close to it depending on your hardware. Let's have a look. This is the official ranking of the LLM performance models. As we can see, Opus 4.6 is at 80%. Sonnet close to 80%. When it comes to the free available models, we have a big if, right? So if you have a powerful machine that gets you to 48 gigs of RAM, you could get a model that is very close to the paid ones. As we can see, the gap from 73 to 80 is not that big. Another option is Qwen, but this one as well asks you for 20 gigs of RAM. From 72 to let's say 79, we get about 7% decrease in performance, right? But chances are you don't have such a powerful machine. In this video, we are gonna install together a small model that only asks you for 8 gigs of RAM at 35%, so it's less than half, right? Compared to the performance of Opus 4.6. When does the free setup make sense? If you want a version that's completely free, because you don't need any API, you just run the model locally on your computer. You can use it offline. This is a pro, you don't need an internet connection. The advantage is that your data stays private, it never leaves your computer, and it's great for learning. So if you just want to try it out, this is great. For me personally, because I have paid client projects, I cannot do any mistakes. So for me, the fact that these models are less capable, it's a no-go. And you cannot use it for production-ready apps, right? So because of these trade-offs, my personal choice is to pay for the API and use token optimization techniques. I have about 20 tips of token optimization techniques that I'm using. So with the token optimization, I'm more than happy to pay for the API. You decide for yourself which one of these two stages you are in. Let's install it right now. There are just 4 easy steps. Step 1, we go to ollama.com and we have 2 options. We either copy this command in the terminal. If you are not friends with the terminal, you can always use the regular installer. Go to Ollama, choose your OS and go ahead and install it. This was step 1, the installation. Step 2 is choosing the right model. If we have a look through the available models, we will see that each one of it asks you for a certain hardware, right? So for example, this one, you would have to have almost 10 gigs of free available RAM. Let's see another one. Qwen 3.5. This one, it's smaller, close to 7. But of course we have smaller models and versions as well. We can see that they are compatible with Claude Code. So how do we choose? Let's first check the available hardware. I will check mine. So what do I have? I have an M4 Pro with 24 gigs of RAM, but the question is how much of these 24 gigs of RAM is available, because the OS itself and the apps that I want to keep open in parallel with the model that we're gonna install together need to be equal or ideally exceed this size. So although I have 24 gigs, right, if I have anything open at all, the available RAM will not be 24. So let's check the available RAM. Out of the 24 total, I have 18 available. Now, of course, if I close everything else, I will free up some space. This is a personal decision. In my case, all the apps that I currently have open, I want to keep them open, so I don't want to close them so that I can free up space. So you should think about it this way. While I'm running my model locally, what are the mandatory apps that I need in parallel? So you will have Claude Code running with your local model, plus what else? Do you need Chrome, Dropbox? It's a personal decision. Feel free to close everything else to make sure you have as much free space as possible. Now, considering this information, what model do we choose? Well, the easiest way is to ask Claude. If you have the regular Claude Code with the AI models, you can ask it, hey, I have this much available memory, which model can I run locally? Or you can ask ChatGPT if you have a ChatGPT account. Let's do this together. I open my regular Claude Code pointing to Sonnet 4.6 and I'm gonna ask it. Hey, I want to install a local model from Ollama. Which model should I pick so that my computer will not freeze? Here are my specs. Just taking a print screen of my specs, showing the available RAM. This one right here. Let's explain the context also. So what do we want to do? The idea is that I want to install a model to run locally on my machine, and this must be compatible with Claude Code and compatible with my hardware that I have. Let's see what it recommended to us. So it says that we only have 5 gigs free. And we got 2 recommendations. As we can see, the size fits the available memory. Step 3 is to do Ollama serve, so we're gonna start it locally and pull the model that we chose to our machine. This is step 3. So let's do it together. First, you're gonna open your terminal, run Ollama serve, and this is a command that will run in the background. Now, open a new terminal, and pull the model that we chose. This started, but it's definitely gonna take some time, maybe 10 minutes or so. I'm gonna be back when this finishes. Download finished. And the good news is that if we look closely at the command Ollama serve, we actually see that I have 16 gigs available of this is a separate, it's for GPU. We don't need to go into the tech details, but the point I'm trying to make is that if you ask Claude Code or GPT and you just give them a print screen of your hardware, it will be conservative. Conservative is better, meaning your machine will not freeze, right? In other words, I could have installed a bigger model, but I will go with this one just to make sure it works. We are now at step number 4. So step number 4, we are actually starting Claude Code with this model. So we're gonna point to a non-anthropic model. Let's run it. So first command was pull, getting the model locally. Second command, it's run. Check activity monitor. And we can see we have it right here. I'm gonna start it with this command, Ollama launch Claude, and specify the exact name of the model we just installed. And let's test it out. We can notice the difference, yes? In this part, we are pointing to an anthropic model, and here we are pointing to the local model. And we successfully installed it. I created the cheat sheet with all the commands I used, and I attached it in the first link in the description.